So the other day I was on a call with a woman and she mentioned to me that she felt stuck in her career and that all she wanted in life is for her to be financially free. I became financially free when I was 30 years old through various different businesses and that I founded and I sold. And I often get asked this question, how do you become financially free as a woman? So that's what I wanted to make this YouTube video on and I want to go one layer deeper than all the other conversations, than all the other advice out there, right? So this is my brutally honest advice from someone who's done it, right? Been there, done that, got the t-shirt. But if you're new to my channel and you don't know who I am, I'm Dr. Susie Carter, and I am a globally recognized profitability coach. I have previously served as president and COO to Motivate the Masses and COO to some of the most prestigious firms in the world. My work has been featured in New York Times, Wall Street Journal, Associated Press, US Chamber of Commerce, NBC News, and over 8,000 other outlets. I have built and sold multiple successful businesses for 7 and 8 figures, and I have managed to achieve financial freedom for myself, right? So I'm gonna look at being brutally honest with you and women who wanna be financially free. The first thing we have to do is we have to take responsibility for our finances. Let's be real. We know there's no knight in shining armor. There's no one riding in to rescue us from our bank account. If you want financial freedom, we have to do it on our own. Every penny, every decision. We have to understand the difference between obstacles and excuses that keep you stuck. Because let's face it, aren't obstacles just problems waiting for a solution, right? I have learned immensely from my mistakes, right? And so I want you to look at that, because if we stay ignorant, that's financial suicide. The second thing I want you to do is invest in your financial education, right? Money makes the world go around. And we have to look at what is the education that you need, right? We need to learn the basics of budgeting, saving, investing. It's not a luxury, it's a mandatory, and it's survival. And the best part is knowledge compounds, just like your investment will. We want to start with your resources that are made for women, books, podcasts, online courses, right? You wouldn't trust someone else to drive your dream car. Why would you trust someone else to steer your financial future? Number 3, and this is the sexy one, I want you to develop multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income is like walking on a tightrope without a safety net. Why would you do that? Right? You want to build side hustles and dive into passive income, right? Start with a business that you've been dreaming of. Wealth isn't about just cutting costs. It's about scaling your income. Your skills are your biggest asset, and I want to turn them into revenue-making machine. And remember, you don't have to work harder. We just have to work smarter. Number 4, we want to stop caring about what other people think. Here's the truth. Other people's opinions don't pay your bills. And it's none of your business. Stop letting societal pressure dictate your money moves. It's better to look broke while you're building your wealth than look rich while you're drowning in debt. Ignore the noise and focus on your goals. You'll be laughing all the way to the bank while everyone else is still trying to impress Instagram, getting more likes. Number 5, I want to prioritize long-term thinking. Get rid of instant gratification. It's the enemy of our financial freedom. Skip those quick fixes and think bigger. Start investing, even if it's small amounts. Compounding interest will be your new BFF. Those flashy, get-rich-quick schemes, spoiler alert, they're scams. If it sounds too good to be true, you're right, it's too good to be true. Build wealth the right way, slow, steady, and sustainable. Number 6, you want to build a support system for financial freedom. It's not an act for a solo team, it's a team sport. Surround yourself with women who inspire you and challenge you. Find mentors and coaches and communities that push you forward. And yes, that means cutting ties with anyone that drags you down. Toxic people and their mindsets have no place in your inner circle. Number 7, learn to negotiate and advocate for yourself. Finally, I want you to know your worth and ask for it proudly, loudly, and unapologetically. Whether it's a raise, a contract, or boundary, speak up. Confidence just isn't about being nice. It's your secret weapon. Remember, every dollar you don't negotiate is a dollar you left on the table, and you deserve every single cent. So financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about strategy, grit, taking control. It's time to stop playing small and start building the life and the bank account that you deserve. The only question left is, are you ready to own it? Because action is the antidote for despair. That's my brutally honest advice for women who want financial freedom. And if you're a businesswoman and you have your own business, right, go watch my other 100% free courses I released on YouTube that teaches you every single step needed to grow your business as a businesswoman in this year. If you learned something from this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, and share it with somebody else that needs it. Right, until next time, this is your profit coach, Susie Carter, and let's keep this pace tight.